Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to bypass Family Link control on your Realme 9i device. So firstly you need to open Settings application, scroll down and choose Google. Then choose Manage your Google account. Wait a while. Just get started. Cool. Here choose Data and Privacy. Scroll down and choose Delete your Google account, but not afraid, we will recover it later. Now you need to enter your password. Here choose Next. Scroll down, choose I understand, scroll down, choose yes, and delete account. Wait a while, and cool, as you can see, all my applications were successfully unlocked. This may take a while. So cool. Now we need to recover our Gmail, our Google account. To do this, open Play Store and choose Sign In. Enter your deleted email. Choose Next and you'll see this message. This account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Click Next to attempt to restore this account. Choose Next and enter your password. Choose Next. And you'll see this message, something went wrong. Sorry, something went wrong. Please try again. So try again. Enter your email again. And now you not see message about delete account. You need just enter your password again. Cool. Now choose Next and as you can see, Google account was successfully recovered. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.